Hello, this is Rick Sadler, founder of Hit and Run Candlesticks, and I've got the chart of the day today, which is FTCH. Today's date is December 29th, 2019. FTCH is in one of our rounded bottom breakout strategies. The moving averages that I have up here are the blue line, the 50-day simple. The dotted is our what we call our dotted deuce, and then this is the 200 simple moving average. The green dots, that's part of our trendicator or red-green trend. You can see that when the stock's in a downtrend, it's showing red dots, and when the stock is in an uptrend, it is showing green dots. I want to remind everybody this is not a recommendation to buy. So, the orange line is a 34 exponential moving average. Rounded bottom breakout, we've been in a downtrend. We're now moving up over the 50-day simple. We're cruising right along here, kind of flat trading. A big pop on Thursday. Yeah, big pop on Thursday. And a little consolidation, a little rest here for Friday. So what I'm looking at, if we see a breakout of about $10.30, this chart may run up here to those two moving averages or close to it around 1210 and then up to 1620, and that would also fill this gap in here. Let's take a look at this chart on the 2-day chart. I think it's kind of interesting. Look how we have a very hungry engulfing candle, and each candle after that has just been moving sideways, sort of in a rest mode, just waiting. And then you can see where this last candle in the 2-day chart. So the last two candles are showing up into one candle. And just an interesting chart here. Also, we have a nice little double bottom right in here. Alrighty. If this video helps, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up and click the bell below. I also want to remind everybody that this is Sunday night, December 29th. And every Sunday night, we open room 3 to the public for a webinar on planning the following week. So head over to the website, click on Trading Rooms, click then on room 3, and I hope you can join us at 8 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern every Sunday night. Thank you very much.